What's up guys, it's Irish and Win or Lose here. We got an awesome package in the mail that we've been waiting for and that I told you about yesterday. I didn't think it would be here so soon, but it is, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox it and unveil it and bask in its glory because it's beautiful. So let's open this thing up and check it out. Alright, let's open it up. It's gigantic, okay! Okay, so in the box we've got user guide, I don't know what this is, another pamphlet, little informational thing, and all the screws and accessories for the Define S. And
oh, that looks amazing.
oh man, look at this. Look at that. This isn't cracked, I promise. How do you even open this? Alright, so after a long struggle, we got this is the back cover off. It's got noise reducing fabric in there. And then this is the back. We've got these little rubber grommets in here, and right here, and right here. And it's gonna make cable management super easy. And we've got, look, they've got little fractal design wire or cable holders already. That is really cool. I'm impressed. Headphone jack, mic jack. I wish I knew what that was. Power button. And two USB 3.0 slots on the front, which is super convenient. We found a slight defect. Still not a problem. This is the risk of ordering on eBay. See, it's just slightly bowed there. And when it's actually clipped in, it does, I mean, it sits pretty flat just in the middle here. It's a little bit.
It like sticks out a tiny bit.
Yeah, just a little bit raised up. Okay, forget what I just said. We put it on. Maybe it is a little bit, but it's definitely not as bad. I think it was just because it was laying on its side.
Yeah, because it was sticking out like a lot more.
Yeah, it's really not that bad now. Not noticeable at all, really. It's gonna look sick nasty. So, yep, there it is. All naked. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. We're gonna put.
From the other side.
Alright, sorry this lighting isn't that great, but you get the idea. Here she is. The Fractal Design S. And like I said, I'm gonna change the color of that fan and the other one right there. Of course, we have the clear that we're gonna put green LEDs all in. There I am, hey.
Sick, sick, sick.
Alright, that's gonna about do it. This is Irish.
And we don't know.
We are signing off. See you probably tomorrow with more mail. See you guys. That looked kind of threatening. I was holding scissors. Let me see you guys. Alright guys, what's up? It's Irish one more time. And my excitement from my case, I totally forgot to get my tea. The exciting news is that the music video that I directed for Royal Music Family RMF dropped today. So I'm going to put a link in the description. And you guys should go check that out. Subscribe to them. They have awesome stuff. They're on the come up. They're going to be big in a few years. Telling you guys. Calling it right now. When they become huge, remember that that Irish dude told you they were going to be huge. But anyway, go over there. Comment on the video that Irish sent you. Also, boycott Burger King because they just gave me unsweet tea when I asked for sweet tea. That's my first big production ever with like cars and extras and location and lights, and I'm glad it's over, but it was a fun experience, but it was stressful. But I'm really excited and I hope I get the opportunity to do something like that again with those guys because they're awesome. But yeah, go over there, check it out. Like I said, link in the description, go sub to them, give me a thumbs up, give them a thumbs up on their video, and I will see you guys later. Oh my god, guys, you have to subscribe now. I just found an onion ring in my fries.